Hi everyone, welcome to Csdo. Again, this is Sahiba and today I'll be talking about trousseau packing class. We had a class today, friends, which was on trousseau packing, in which we had sari packing. As you can see the sari, and it is so beautifully packed. Then we had a ring platter for engagements. So this is a beautiful ring platter that is made by our student with the help of the instructor. And then we had gift hamper packing. Woohoo! If it's a birthday or if it's any return gift, an anniversary, you can definitely have these hampers and you can give them to your friends, family members, and so on. And also this is a beautiful lehenga that is kept there. So we had lehenga draping too. So as you can see the beauty of the lehenga, it's looking so amazing. It is packed in such an efficient way, and all these items were made by our student with the help of the instructor. So friends, if you are also looking for something creative, if you also want to start your business, and if you also want to have something like this set up at your place, then yes, for trousseau packing, for gift packing, for gift making, and then for any kind of a decoration course, you can contact Csdo. And thank you so much.